Hello. We're watching Wheel.
Have a good night here. Who's in the audience? My mother's Chinese. Now ask you to spin that wheel now. Come on. Wow.
Frozen waffles. See? Frozen waffles. Let's see what Matt wins. Wow. Oh. Ooh. Me likey. Yeah, it says wheel. Tina, he's already won another car. No, you only got half. And no, you don't win. 7. Oh, here we go, ticker. Paso and Teller is under a severe thunderstorm warning. This thunderstorm is located near Divide or 20 miles west of Colorado Springs, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Stay tuned to 11. I'm serious about that. Be quiet. Okay, so there's a severe thunderstorm warning on Wheel. And I hope you liked it. See ya.